Molarity is the amount in moles of solute in a liter of a solution. And the formula is given by number of moles of solute divided by the volume of the solution measured in liters. Let's take an exercise. Let's prepare a 500 milliliters of 0.01 m sodium hydroxide to be used in industrial analysis of some acidic beverages. This would be interesting. But first, let's calculate. Let's recall that molarity equals number of moles of solute divided by the volume of the solution measured in liters. We have been given the required molarity for the solution, which is 0.01 molar. To make number of moles n, the subject of the formula, we multiply 0.01 and 1. This is pretty easy. The number of moles is 0.01 moles. Now let's find the mass of sodium hydroxide in 0.01 moles. Of course, we know that 1 mole of sodium hydroxide equals 40 grams. Therefore, how many grams would be in 0.01 moles? We simply multiply 40 with 0.01, which will result in 0.4 grams of sodium hydroxide. Now we know that 0.4 grams of sodium hydroxide should be in 1 liter of the solution to be equals to 0.01 molar of sodium hydroxide solution. Now that we are done with the calculations, let's make this solution with our values. To commence, we need some equipments: electronic weighing balance, a beaker of water, funnel, sodium hydroxide pellets or caustic soda, measuring cylinder, volumetric flask, spatula, and a good eyes. Now heading for methods. Take the weight of the paper in which you would place the pellets. In our case, the paper weighs 0.24 grams, and we need 0.4 grams of sodium hydroxide, so we need to total this weight, which would be the weight we are trying to see on the machine. In our case, it's 0.64 grams. Next, we add the pellets till we achieve a total weight of 0.64 grams. Now, add this pellet into a volumetric flask containing some water. Shake it to dissolve properly. Next, fill this again with water to 1000 milliliters. Shake it again to mix properly. Now you have in your hand 0.01 molar of sodium hydroxide solution. Now let's measure out the required 500 milliliters of the solution. There we go, a 500 milliliters of 0.01 molar of sodium hydroxide solution. Precautions. Do not drink any part of the solution. Wash your hands after the experiment, as we were dealing with a strong base. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.